Okay, I want to show you something that has been very powerful for me over the years in terms of building high income streams, powerful income streams from the internet, whether that be building written content with blog posts or building written content with articles on platforms such as medium.com or Vocal. So I've used this very, very powerful manifestation method, and you can try different methods, but I've used this one and it's been extremely powerful for me. This is really powerful if you want to go into writing specifically. So I'm going to jump into my screen, and this is going to be a very interesting meditation affirmation session, but using the laptop, or if you have an iPad, or if you have a phone, you don't even need to have a laptop or an iPad, you can use a phone and you can use this same method. It's very powerful. Obviously you can also use a pen and paper, but I found if you want to be a writer or a blogger and you use this method, it really helps you to step into the feeling of being that successful blogger or writer. Okay, so we're going to jump into my screen and we're going to do a session of affirmations. Okay, so you want to get a blank page. You want to either get like a Google Doc or Google Drive Google Doc or a notepad or whatever word processing app that you use on your laptop or your iPad or your phone. It doesn't really matter. I'm using the notes on my MacBook Pro. So here's an empty page, okay? So if you are manifesting a successful and profitable career as a writer, blogger, content creator, whatever it is that you want to do, is what you want to do. You want to say, and you want to type it every single day, at least 20 to 30 times. You know, you could copy and paste it, but the best thing to do is to write it out over and over again like this. And you want to keep writing it out. And why this is so powerful is, especially if you want to be a writer, is that you are engaging in the process of writing on your laptop or whatever device you have. Okay? And you are constantly taking advantage of repetition, robotic affirmations, repeating over and over again that thing that you're manifesting. And one of the, for me, most powerful things I've done to manifest success as a content writer, blogger, digital investor has been to saturate my mind with that very thing that I'm manifesting. Saturate my mind to constantly be in that feeling. You know, so when you feel like you're wavering, instead of spending your free time watching what other people are doing, or if you're on the bus or in a taxi or whatever it is, okay, You want to be doing this. You can be doing this on your phone. You could be doing this on your phone. You could be doing this on your iPad. And the beauty of this is that you're writing. You're writing, and so you're actually practicing typing as well. So you're taking inspired action at the same time as taking advantage of the power of repetition, the power of robotic affirmations, repeating. Yes, you can write this down with a pen and paper, but when you are trying to manifest, or when you're manifesting this highly successful, ultra successful career as a writer, blogger, this is so powerful because you're engaging in the very thing you're engaging in the very thing that you want to be doing every single day as a full-time career. Obviously, you'll be writing every day anyway. You should be writing every day if you're manifesting a successful career as a writer. But at the same time as just writing the things that you would write normally, like your blog posts or articles, you're also spending time writing out, typing out your affirmations, and you can be saying them out at the same time. So I'm a powerful, successful content writer. I'm so grateful that I'm earning $20,000 a month from my content writing business. I'm a powerful, successful content writer. I'm so grateful that I'm earning $20,000 a month from my content writing business. I'm a powerful, successful content writer. I'm so grateful that I'm earning $20,000 a month from my content writing business. Just keep saying that every single day. Whenever you can, you say it out loud, and you can just also write this out. So you're looking to write this out 30 times. So you can write it out 10 times and in the morning, 10 times in the afternoon, and 10 times in the evening. And that should be your routine, just writing it out 10 times in the morning, 10 times in the afternoon, 10 times in the evening. So that's going to be 30 times. You can write it out more times. Sometimes I write out these things. Sometimes I write them out 100 times in a day, 30 times. And then like another 30 times in the afternoon, and another 30 times in the evening, or 40 times in the evening before I go to sleep. And then I fall asleep with this affirmation in my mind, and I also would fall asleep with this affirmation playing on my Parrot app. If you don't know what Parrot app is, it's an app that you can download on the iOS, the App Store, and you can record one phrase and it will keep repeating it over and over and over and over and over again. So you can write it out 40 times before you sleep, and then and at the same time you're listening to it on a loop on your phone, on your earphones, or through your speakers or something like that. And if you're alone in the room, then you can do it through your speakers, because that's actually even more powerful, because it's just all around you. The sound will be all around you. Okay, so that's that. This is a very powerful method. Try it out. Don't forget to click the link in the description for my Power Manifestation for Content Creators e-guide that you can find in the description, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.